Some people say lumbar area, also hip. This is the great axis treatment. So people can be without shorts, with shorts. I'm gonna explain what I'm doing here. So I'm get that split as 2 fingers, just like that. So one side of my finger, so my index and middle, on that, it's going to be on one side of the spine and another one on the other spine. So I'm gonna kind of gliding this way. Yeah, so it's like you can practice do that. It's very difficult, I think. In the beginning, you can just get your whole palm on that lumbar area. And remember, no oil. If you got oil, you're not going to be capable to do that. And this is like gliding that fascia and roll. So I'm going to ask the client, tuck the chin, and sometimes client fart in this position, but don't be scared. Don't do any stupid thing. But yes, people do, especially older folks. And be gentle. So in the first time, people, yeah, hold that, and you start roll them. You see, you roll them, you come up here, you roll them, and you're gonna explain. So after a couple times, and tuck your chin. You see, he tucked the chin. I'm going to get my arm under your butt, and I'm gonna start helping them. So it's come up here.
Sacrum.
In sacrum, exactly. You can do deeper on the lumbar area, yeah. We can do all the way up to the lumbar area, and you start gliding that. So when you pull, you see, you lift your shoulder, you lift your leg up, and you glide it. I'm going to show you on the opposite side. So again, he's rolling, and boom, you see, right there. My hands is on this lumbar area, and what I'm doing here, I'm start gliding him, you see, and I pull. You see, I'm lifted up. I got this wart parasite C. I need to get rid of this one. All right, so this is what I'm doing here. And you roll. How's that feel?
It's very relaxing.
And you can roll up, down, and start doing this. So move your butt side to side. You see you doing that. Let me show you from other side.
Good. It helps the back.
So right here, again, this side is... Now I'm going to be probably standing this way, but for the camera purpose, I was standing on this side. So I'm standing right there, okay? So I roll, and when I roll and I come up here, my hand, you see? And I push and start rolling. And this is what I'm doing. You see I'm extend my leg and I pull. And he can breathe out and breathe out.
Good.
Grab that both legs, keep it tight, and this is called dolphin tail. Shake him up. Try to get this synchronized. And
Qigong thing.
Qigong. They say it's Qigong. Why not? So this is the great exercise. This is the pure healing and great for the spine. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.